PayPal makes a big move into cryptocurrencies with its new Ethereum-based stablecoin PayPal USD. Well, this aims to merge the convenience of digital payments with the stability of the fiat system that we have today, or fiat currencies. So as consumers' demand for cryptos increases, PayPal stays way ahead of the curve. So let's dive right into it so you can learn how to profit and discover investment strategies that will guide you through the ever-changing landscape of stocks and cryptocurrencies. So let's start with PayPal straight off the bat. So PayPal is launching a dollar-backed stablecoin, and this is huge because PayPal is a giant when it comes to both companies but also digital payments in this realm. So this is really good news, and it really lifted the shares, well, just 2.66%, but I think it's really going to show moving forward here what this will mean for the crypto market as well. Because what's so interesting with this is that when PayPal has millions of customers, and as they start to accept the digital payments and cryptocurrencies, well, that's hopefully going to go into other pieces of the industry as well, which is why we're investing into other cryptos also. So this is really, really, really cool. So this also is going to help with the regulatory standpoint that the cryptos are in at the moment. So the second piece of news is that the US Ethereum Futures ETF that is hopefully being launched soon has a 75% chance of approval in 2023 after a recent flood of applications. We have seen more than 12 applications so far, and they say that it will be very hard for SEC to not approve this because there's so many others that are being applied for at the moment as well. So this is really, really good, and the SEC might take a step back as well to allow cryptos a little bit more, which will be really, really helpful for this. And speaking about adoption, and this, by the way, would boost and hopefully trigger a new bull market in cryptos as well, as we've been speaking about the last couple of weeks. The next piece of news that might also spark a big move in the crypto market, but also is very positive for Coinbase, is that Coinbase is launching a layer 2 solution. And let me explain what this means. So what this means is they're launching a layer 2 that's called Base. There's no token attached to it, so you can't buy it. But the cool thing with this is that it's going to allow Coinbase to work more seamlessly with the biggest blockchain in the world, which is Ethereum, which is really, really cool. And this is really positive for Coinbase overall as well. So everything is happening, everything is kind of really working well behind the scenes. But one thing to mention is that Base is built on optimism, right? It's built on the same framework and developer teams behind optimism, which is another layer 1 solution that is really, really successful so far. So what this means for Coinbase is that Coinbase will be able to maybe be one step ahead. Maybe the fees will be lower on Ethereum when it's used on Coinbase and the tokens around it as well. So we'll see what this means as well. But essentially, this is really, really good news for Coinbase and should trigger a higher price in that area as well. So these 3 pieces of news, what does that mean? Well, it shows you that innovation is happening no matter where the price of Bitcoin or cryptos or the stock markets are. And just to really give you one sentence of that as well, it does look like the crypto market might have a little bit of a pullback, the same with the stock market, but then I do believe with all the innovation that is taking place, we're going to rally to new all-time highs. And we are well positioned for that as well. So before I jump into this and really the position we're entering today, I'm going to show you here that these pieces of news might trigger new bull markets in both stocks and cryptos, and that's really what we are looking at. And there's a lot more to it, but just to keep this nice, short and sweet as well. What you see in front of you is our PCA calculator. You can go to the I Am Insider page, just press the link below and get your own version and learn how to use it and the strategy as well for free, of course. So become an insider and take advantage of these news and, of course, how you can benefit from them, as you can see here as well. So we're in several positions. Now we're adding one on a crypto called Solana, which is hopefully going to ride on this really big whirlwind of news that are coming towards crypto that are really positive. And Solana has made a lot of progress in the recent months, and we believe they have a big upside in front of them as well. So as according to the strategy, as you can see down here, we are investing, waiting for 20% drop, and then we're investing. And you will learn everything about the strategy when you look at the I Am Insider page, right? So very, very important. Press the link below and join that. So looking at the market briefly as well, what you will see here is Solana is down more than 20% from its high, which is really, really positive, 27%, so we can enter that. And just looking at some of the other positions, we entered the first time at Tesla. We're down a little bit, so you can enter at a better price than we did. XRP, we're also down a bit. In a week or so, we're going to enter this again if it keeps being down. And also Micron Technology, we had a stop loss at 10%. We got stopped out with a profit there, so well done. And PayPal were in as well. We had a stop loss at 9%, so we actually exited PayPal with a profit of 9%. So well done if you did that. That's the importance of having a stop loss in place. And next week we might actually enter PayPal again on the back on these news, or you can do it now already if you want to. And we have also PAAS, that we had a stop loss at 12% and we got taken out that as well. So we're actually making some really good profits here. So comment below if you're making the same kind of process and profits here as well. So very, very cool. So now, last but no means least, we're going to place an order now on Solana. So going to Solana, we press trade, and I'm going to put $500 in here. That's it. And you press open trade. Yeah, let's have a look here. Limited to 985 units. That should be fine. Let's put open and open this here. There we go. Boom. Here we go. So now we've opened Solana. We're now in this and slightly in loss still. So, okay, that's fine. So now we entered another one here as well. And as you can see, I'm in PayPal and some of the other ones still. I've sold out on some of them, but the other ones you could have taken profits on, as we discussed here on the previous episodes. You can always look back and see how we move the stop loss, but you should be making quite a bit of money here over the next year or so. So make sure you stay tuned for that. So with these news that are coming, like PayPal, the adoption that is taking place in the crypto market, it's just so exciting. And I hope you're just as excited as we are to take part of this ginormous, we believe, bull market that is about to come.